Vivo V30e. It's a rebranded version of Vivo S18e that was launched in China. Fast refresh rate Amoled display, 50 megapixel Sony camera, slim and lightweight in design, fast charging, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo V30e AE camera-centric phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. When you open the box of the Vivo S18e, you'll find the phone itself, a transparent case, user manual, an 80W power adapter with Type A output, a data cable, and a SIM ejector tool. The design of the V30e may resemble the V30 Pro, but it's distinct. In global market, the Vivo S18e might be launched under the name Vivo V30e. The back of the phone features diamond-shaped yarn textures that reflect white spots with light and shadow. The white color of the phone is quite attractive. The back has rounded edges, and the camera module's edges also have textures, giving it a premium feel. The module houses dual cameras and dual LED flash, with one flash serving as soft light. Camera samples will be shared later, so stay connected with our channel. Looking at the edge of the phone, it appears flat with a plastic frame. Despite being lightweight and slim, the phone offers a good grip. It weighs around 195 grams and has a thickness of 7.7 mm, feeling relatively light and thin in hand. On the front of the Vivo V30e, you'll find a 6.67-inch Amoled display with a full HD+ resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The manual peak brightness goes up to 615 nits. The maximum brightness reaches up to 820 nits, with a peak brightness of 1800 nits achievable. It offers 96.3% sRGB color coverage. Speaking of the Vivo V30e's camera, it features a rear-facing dual camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels with a Sony LYT600 sensor and optical image stabilization support. Additionally, there's a 2 megapixel depth camera, along with a soft light ring. On the front, there's a 16 megapixel portrait camera. You can check out sample photos taken during the daytime. Talking about the performance of the Vivo V30e, it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 octa-core processor. This processor utilizes the same 4nm technology found in the flagship Dimensity 9200 processor. You can expect an Antutu score of around 760,000. For Geekbench 6, the multi-core score is approximately 2,697 points, which is quite similar to what you'd find in the Dimensity 7200 Ultra processor. When it comes to storage and IM, the Vivo V30e offers LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. It can support up to 12 GB of IM. In games like King of Glory, it runs at a maximum of 60 frames per second with HD quality and ultra-high resolution. The frame rate usually fluctuates between 55 to 60 frames per second, but overall remains relatively smooth. However, heavy games like Genshin Impact may not run as smoothly on this phone. Talking about the battery and charging of the Vivo V30e, it comes with a 4800 mAh battery and supports 80W fast charging. The battery takes around 46 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. Additionally, the phone runs on Origin OS 4.0. Regarding the price of the Vivo S18e or V30e, the variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage starts at around 2099 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to approximately £241 in the UK and up to $292. In conclusion, the phone offers a good display and a decent portrait camera, and it's lightweight. However, considering the price, the performance may not be as impressive as expected. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.